Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine at home. So, today we are going to discuss a second chapter of biology. The name of the chapter is Exploring the Plant Zone. Okay, so before starting the chapter, we will solve this riddle that is on your page number 20. So, you all can open your books along with me. Before solving the riddle, I want to ask you one thing, that have you ever met the aliens, or have you ever heard about aliens? Okay, yes, very good. Okay, then how would you feel if you met four aliens in the classroom today? Okay, not in classroom, right now you are at home, so you can assume yourself as a alien. Then how would you feel if you will assume yourself as a alien? Then you feel good है ना, you feel very excited because today you are thinking yourself as a alien. Okay, so why we will meet aliens today? Because the other aliens are coming to our earth today to explore some interesting things. Clear? So before proceeding further, I want to tell you the names of the four aliens that we are going to meet today. First is FDEC, second is Drill Deck, Ester Deck, and Klondike. So these are the four aliens. Okay, so these are the four aliens. Clear? F Deck, Drill Deck, Ester Deck, and Klondike. So these four aliens, with these aliens we will meet in between the chapter also. Clear? Because these aliens are here to found out, or you can say to explore some interesting things. That's why they are coming to our earth today. So let's start with the riddle. Okay, so what is there in the riddle? First of all, in the land the picture has plant. In this land the picture has the plant has sorry in this land the plant has picture. The picture is not flower but a different creature. The leaves here would not be green. It will eat insects for it is mean. First of all, riddle क्या होता है बेटा? What do you mean by riddle? Riddle means पहेली. Okay, तो हमारी क्या riddle है? In this land, ओके कहता लैंड के ऊपर, इस लैंड के ऊपर द प्लांट हैज़ पिक्चर. ठीक है, वट इज प्लांट इज हैविंग? प्लांट इज हैविंग अ पिक्चर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. क्लियर? द पिक्चर इजंट फ्लावर. कहता वो पिक्चर जो है, पिक्चर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, दैट इज नॉट अ फ्लावर. ठीक है, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट क्रिएचर दैट इज लुकिंग लाइक. The leaves here would not be green. The leaves of that plant will not be green, and it will eat insects for it is mean. Clear? So this riddle we have to solve. So the aliens, now the aliens are talking with each other. Oh, this one is really interesting. It talks about flowers. So FDEC is saying that this riddle is very very interesting. They are talking about the flowers. Okay, so plants with picture, it sounds really weird. So one alien is saying plants with picture कि it sounds really weird, कि सुनने में बहुत अजीब लग रहा है, that plant is having a picture like structure. Clear? Now why don't we find it out? कहते हम देख ही लेते हैं चल के. ठीक है. Now next is, I guess we have landed in the middle of a forest. Now they are going, so now they are going to land to you can say to solve the mystery of that plant. Now they have landed in the middle of a forest. So Klondike is saying this is a Klondike. Okay, so he is saying what is this place? You can't see place hai. Clear? Then one alien is saying, oh, I can see all sort of creepy things around me. Creepy things means scary things. ठीक है? So you can this alien is saying that I'm able to see all the scary things around me. So the another alien is saying, relax, it is just a branch. So he is saying that do not scare from anything, this is just a branch. Clear? So now they reach to that plant. अबाउट विच दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट, दे वर टॉकिंग ना, वो बात कर रहे थे ना कि एक ऐसा प्लांट है दैट हैज़ अ पिक्चर, है ना, एंड इट्स लीव्स आर नॉट ग्रीन. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज दिस स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ दे रीच टू द सेम प्लांट. नाउ दे आर टॉकिंग विद ईच अदर दैट ये एक्चुअली में ये स्ट्रक्चर है क्या. ठीक है. हे बट what kind of plant can have picture. ठीक है. now they are talking with each other कि ये ऐसे कौन से प्लांट है, what kind of plants having this kind of structure. ठीक है. these kinds of pictures on them. clear. how come leaves are not green. कहते हैं इनके leaves क्यों green नहीं है. now they are taking the help of Robonum. what do you say Robonum. so now Robonum is replying. Robonum is friend of all these four aliens. okay. नाउ रोबोनम इज सेइंग व्हाट द रिडल सेज इज ट्रू. कहता है रिडल स्टार्टिंग में जो भी पहेली थी, ठीक है, उसमें सब कुछ सही लिखा हुआ था. दैट वाज ऑल राइट. देयर लिव्स अ प्लांट हुज नंबर इज़ वेरी फ्यू. कहते ऐसे प्लांट्स हैं जिनका नंबर हमें बहुत कम मिलता है, बहुत कम दिखाई देते हैं हमें ये. ठीक है. द स्टोरी ऑफ दिस प्लांट सीम्स टू बी अ मिस्ट्री. स्टडी द प्लांट पार्ट्स नॉट लुक एट द हिस्ट्री. ओके. सो कहता जो इस प्लांट की स्टोरी है, इट सीम्स टू बी अ मिस्ट्री. ये एक मिस्ट्री है दैट वी हैव टू सॉल्व. what we have to solve, what kind of mystery this plant have, that what is the name of this plant, what kinds of plants are there who have who are having these kinds of structures on them, why they are having these kinds of structures like picture, है ना, and where they are found, why they eat insects, why their leaves are not green. So everything is mystery that we will solve in this chapter. Clear everyone. So the aliens, we will meet these aliens in between the chapter also, because they are here to find some interesting facts, and we will solve the mystery of this plant also. Clear everyone. Now come on the next page. okay, now we will start with the chapter that is exploring the plant zone. Okay, so first of all we will start with the Robonum. Before starting our journey about this mysterious plant, first you must know more about plants. What Robonum is saying, that before starting our journey about this mysterious plant, clear, that before studying about this mysterious plants, that why that plant why the leaves are not green in that plant, है ना, why those plants are having picture like structure, where they have grown. So these types of studies we will do later on about that plant. But first of all, but we will get more knowledge about plants. Clear. Common knowledge we will gather, then we will study about that plant. Okay. So Afdak is saying, let me explore and find out more about plants. Okay, now we will read in common about the plants. So you all know plants are living organisms, and they can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Clear. And that's why they are called autotrophs, because they can prepare or they can synthesize their own food. And all other living organisms like human beings, all animals, microorganisms, they all dependent upon plants for their food, directly or indirectly. Clear. Now next is plants gives us fresh air, food items, wood, medicine, rubber, gum, perfumes, wax, natural colors, fibers, etc. So apart from food, we all know that plants gives us food, they provide us energy. So apart from all these things, they also gives us various things. You can say like oxygen is very necessary for all the living organisms. Without oxygen we cannot survive. Along with this, plants also gives us so many things like wood, medicine, gum, rubber, perfumes, wax, etc. Clear. And now we will do classification of plants according to their size. कहते some plants are shorter than us. कई प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हमसे भी छोटे होते हैं. दे आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू द ग्राउंड. सम आर ऑफ आर हाइट. कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो हमारी हाइट के होते हैं, ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा स्मॉलर, मीडियम हाइट. क्लियर. सम आर टॉलर देन अस. कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हमसे बहुत बड़े होते हैं. ठीक है. सम हैव ब्रांचेज क्लोज टू द ग्राउंड वाइल सम आर हायर up on the stem. Some plants have soft green stems while some have a woody stem. So this is the you can say there is a lots of varieties of plants, millions of species are there on our earth. So every, you can say, each plant is different from each other, ठीक है, each species is different from each other depending upon their you can say size, depending upon their, you can say, stems, whether the plant is having green stem, whether the plant is having flexible stem, whether the plant is having, ठीक है, hard and woody stem. So each species is different from others. Clear everyone? So now next is some plants bear flowers and they are called flowering plants. So this we have already discussed in the class, that some plants are there, those who are having flowers on them, ठीक है, like rose, mustard, mango flower, mango plant. Clear? These plants are having or they bear flowers on them, उनके ऊपर क्या होते हैं, flowers grow करते हैं, and those flowers can remain same flowers or they can convert into fruit. क्लियर? सो दोज प्लांट्स आर नोन एज फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स, जिनके ऊपर फ्लावर्स ग्रो करते हैं बेटा. लाइक रोज़ प्लांट है, रोज़ के ऊपर रोज़ फ्लावर ग्रो करता है तो वो फ्लावर ही रहता है. बट इन मैंगो, यू कैन से मैंगो ट्री, ठीक है, फ्लावर इज ग्रोइंग एंड आफ्टर दैट इट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू फ्रूट. बट फ्लावर तो ग्रो हुआ था ना, तभी फ्रूट बना. सो दैट्स वाई दोज प्लांट्स, those bear flowers on them, they are known as flowering plants. And the plants that do not bear any kind of flower on them, they are known as non-flowering plants. They are known as non-flowering plants, like ferns and algae. They do not bear any kind of flowers, that's why they are known as non-flowering plants. Clear everyone? Now next is, there are lots of differences among plants. Is there a way to group them so it becomes easy to recognize them? You can recognize them just like they do in plant kingdom. Let's explore it. Okay, now we will do classification of flowering plants. Clear? Flowering plants, I have already told you, those flowering plants are those plants which bear flowers on them. They are known as flowering plants, like rose, mustard and mango tree. Clear? Now the flowering plants are classified on the basis of structure and size into 5 groups, namely herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers and trees. So flowering plants are classified on the basis of their structure and size into 5 groups. And those groups are herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers and trees. Clear everyone? So before discussing this classification of flowering plants, I want to show you one video. ठीक है? So with the help of that video you will get a clarity, 90% you will get a clarity, and after that we will discuss this classification, then you will get more clarity after the video. Okay everyone, are you ready for video now? Okay.
Types of plants. We see many types of plants. These are of different types of plants. We see many types of plants. These are of different shapes and sizes. Some are big while some are small. Primarily, there are 5 types of plants. They are tree, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Tree. Big and strong plants are called trees. Trees are the largest and oldest living thing on earth. They have roots, branches, leaves, and a hard woody stem called trunk, such as apple tree and banyan tree. However, few big trees do not have branches, such as coconut tree and palm tree. Shrubs. Shrubs are medium-sized plants and are smaller than trees. Shrubs have small, thin and woody branches that grow close to the ground. Examples of shrub are jasmine and lemon. Herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They are smaller than shrubs. Herbs have a green, thin and soft stem that can easily be bended. They usually do not grow more than 1 meter in height and have a short lifespan. Dried herbs are also used to add flavor to food and is used in medicines as well. Example of herbs are tomato, carrot, spinach and mint. Creepers. Creepers are the plants that grow along the ground by extending its branches. They have thin, long and weak stem which cannot stand upright and spreads on the ground. The example of creeper are pumpkin and watermelon. Climbers. Climbers are plants with thin and weak stem. They cannot stand upright and rapidly climb up a neighboring support like a fence, wall or other plants. The tendrils in plant wind themselves around any object and help the plant to climb up. Common climbers include bitter gourd and grapevine. Thank you.
So I hope you all get clarity about the classification of the plants. Okay, so again I will tell you one more time. First of all, first are herbs. Herbs are also known as little ones. ठीक है, as you have already seen in video that herbs are very short plants with thin and soft stem because they are very close to the ground and their lifespan is very short for a few months to 1 year. क्लियर एवरीवन. एंड ड्राइड हर्ब्स जो सूख जाते हैं बेटा, ठीक है, हर्ब्स they are used for medicinal purposes. Clear. Now examples of herbs are wheat, coriander. Coriander होता है धनिया, grass, mint. mint होता है आपका पुदीना, एलोवेरा एटसेट्रा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आर shrubs. Shrubs you have already seen in video. These are also known as bushy ones and these are medium sized. These are medium sized woody plants. Clear. इनकी जो stem होती है